are you? I'm back with yet another haul video, but this one is a little bit different than my normal Kmart focused video. I have my friend here sitting on his bed. We're filming in a different spot today because our power has been out for almost 24 hours now. So I'm sitting in front of the big window with the last of today's light to try and get today's video filmed for you guys so that I can put it up on Friday. This guy is freaking out a little bit because Evan is outside moving around branches and stuff that have fallen down overnight. Oh, and now we have Annie here too. Say hello. Oh, and now we got Frosty too. Were you doing a big yawn? Oh, hi, Kai. Okay, so we have crazy animals, natural lighting, which is questionable at best, and we have Evan outside on the chainsaw trying to fix all the trees that have fallen down on our property. So it's gonna be a great video, guys. If you're new here, hi, welcome. Please join our little family by hitting subscribe down below or hitting like on today's video if you enjoy it. Let's get right into the video today because I'm running out of light and what I have to talk about makes me so happy. So let's go. So everything I got today, we got about 2.5 weeks ago, I think. We went to visit a plant store that I saw on Instagram because they were having a closing down sale and I decided I had to go. It was the My Jungle Home store. They pop up on my Instagram all the time. And they're really cute. They were really lovely in there and they were trying to sell everything because they're moving like very close to where they currently are, but they were moving location, so they had a sale on, long story short. So I decided I was going to go and Evan decided to come with me, which was very nice of him, probably so I didn't spend as much money, but anyway. We went to the plant store before a friend's birthday party and I picked up so many new babies that I'm going to show you today. Now, I will absolutely not be able to say the correct names for these guys, and I am very new to being a plant mum, so it may have been a mistake to get so many at a time. So the first two that I got is this. These are two purple ones. Evan was really keen on these because both of our favorite color is purple. Some of their little flowers, or not flowers, leaves are looking a bit sad, but then there's also some new growth coming through as well. So hopefully the sad parts will recover and the new growth will keep growing. But these guys are so cute. I really love the leaves. They're just beautiful. They're a really interesting shape. And I like the color. It's nice to have ones that aren't green to kind of break things up. Frost is very sad that she can't go outside and play with the chainsaw. She loves to catch the branches that Evan cuts off and run around and play with them. She's devastated right now. Okay, so next I've got this little guy. He's just nice and green. He is a really good size and he has lots of little fresh shoots down the bottom. Oh my God. They really want to go outside. Like I was saying, yeah, he looks really healthy. He's got lots of fresh shoots down the bottom and I love him. I like the pattern on the leaves, like it's beautiful. He's just nice and interesting. Okay, the next one is another green guy with some really cool patterns on the leaves. Some of his leaves down the bottom are a bit yellow, so I think they might fall off soon. But the rest of him's looking pretty good. And he's got some new sprouts down in the bottom of the pot as well. So the pattern on his leaves are really awesome too. We're just gonna ignore the dog sooking in the background because they're taking turns between who's gonna cry about not being outside with the chainsaw. But anyway, this guy's really pretty. He was $14 and yeah, nice size as well. So we will be able to find a cool pot for him or her. Haven't decided their genders yet. But I love the spots on the leaves. It just makes it look so much more interesting and they all feel really healthy. Do you like this one? Oh, you do! You do! Okay, we're not gonna eat it though. Okay, the last guy I got from the plant store is this big one. It's gorgeous. It has stripy green leaves on top and then they're purple underneath, which is really cool. Ah, my moisture meter. I've been looking for this. This one's got some new shoots coming up on it too, which is really nice, and it's in a nice big pot, so we'll be able to find something lovely for him to go in. He's really cool. I love the change in the color from like the dark on the back to the nice stripy green leaves. He's just really cool. He looks really nice. Yeah, clearly I know nothing about plants because we just got them because we thought they looked cool. As you can tell, I'm stammering over my words. I have no idea what I'm talking about. So those are all of the plants that I got from the my jungle home. We also picked up a pot. This one's really nice because it has drainage down the bottom, so it's got the catch plate and the hole on the inside, which not a lot of the pots that I have. So it will be good to have that so I can actually water a plant inside here. I am thinking maybe this guy. No, he's a bit small. I'm not sure who's gonna go in here, but somebody will. I posted in a plant group about one of my plants that was looking a bit sad, and a few people said to repot it in a smaller pot, and this is smaller than the pot it is currently in. So maybe I'll put that one in here, but yeah. It's a really pretty color. I like this kind of green, and it has drainage, so that's great. And my final gorgeous little darling is this little angel. I got her at a market that we went to the next day. So she was technically bought the day after we got all the others. So she was from a little stall in the market that we visited on the Sunday morning. I have a bit of footage of me looking around there that I'll put in as well. But she's really cute. She's got some new growth down the very bottom, and she's just adorable. She has a beautiful pattern on her leaves that is pink and green. I have no idea what plant this is though, so if you know, let me know in the comments down below. Oops, lost some dirt. Because it would be nice to research her and find out what I need to do to take care of her best. So yeah, so those are all my new plant babies. If you have any advice on how to look after these specific plants, please let me know in the comments down below, because I'm learning and I would love as much advice as you can possibly give me. So leave a comment down below. I thought I would also show you what other things we got at the market. So here is my little baggie of goodies. First is one of these. This is one of those honey stirrer things. I did try and Google if they have an actual name, but because of the lack of power, everyone is on the internet, so my phone doesn't want to work. But we have one of these to stir our honey. So the next thing we got were 2 bandanas. Yeah, these are for you guys. You wanna put them on? Oh, that looks so nice. Come here, come up on the bed. Let me show everybody. Frost's has puppies all over it, and Kai's has got bacon and eggs. Because you like the food, don't you, buddy? Oh, that looks very nice. I lift you up, you're too short. So the last thing I got is a beanie for myself. It's just grey with that like typical knitted kind of pattern. And then on the inside, it has fleece, which is going to be so handy for winter. It's really nice, really warm. It's now covered in dog sniffle like wetness, which is fantastic for me. So yeah, that's everything I got from the market after I found my cute little plant. Oh, we also got wine as well, but I drank that like immediately, so yeah, sorry. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me this week. If you enjoyed today, leave me a like or a comment down below and let me know what you liked best. And also, please leave me advice on how to keep these alive. Or if you have any good YouTubers or anything that talk about plants and all kinds of plant-related things, leave their names down below too so I can check them out and start doing some more research, because I need all the help I can get. Hit subscribe if you'd like to see more from me in the future, or more of these 2 angel demons. And with that, I will see you guys next week. Bye! Oh, this is going to take a long time. Oh, I already have someone's fur in my mouth. Oh. Oh god. Okay. Oh, we're on there together now. Annie, oh my god, look at these dogs. Everything I have, Frosty. No, we're not playing octopuses. No. Oh, you guys are so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute.